Hey everyone, welcome to the AGF Quilt Block Collection. My name is Melly and I love sharing step-by-step quilt block videos with you. Whether you're new to quilting or been sewing for ages, there's room for everyone in the AGF Quilt Block Collection. Today we'll be making the Bear Paw block featuring two brand new fusion collections, Splendid Fusions and Printemps Fusions. Both of these collections are perfect for springtime sewing. Well, let's get started, but make sure to stay tuned till the end of the video to find out what's coming up next on the AGF Quilt Block Collection. If you're new to our channel and love quilting as much as we do, don't forget to subscribe below to watch more fun sewing tutorials like this one. Check out the description box below to find all the cutting requirements and step-by-step instructions. To make your 2.5-inch half-square triangles, we will be using the 4 at a time half-square triangle method. Take your 4.5-inch squares from fabric A, B, C, and D. Place and pin a 4.5-inch square from fabric F right sides together. Take these units to your sewing machine and sew 1/4 inch around your entire block. Stopping and pivoting at each corner, turning the fabric to the new direction, and sewing each side. With a straight edge and a rotary cutter, cut on both diagonals to reveal your 4 half-square triangles. Square up your blocks to 2.5 inches. To make your 4.5-inch half-square triangles, we'll be using the 2 at a time method. Place your 5-inch squares right sides together. Draw a diagonal line on the wrong side of the fabric on your 5-inch squares from fabric F. Sew on each side of the line at 1/4 inch. Cut on the line you drew to reveal your half-square triangles. Make sure to save your extra half-square triangles for a future project. We now have all the units complete, and it's time to sew up our block. Place your pieces out forming a bear paw. Sew up your 4 blocks in the same manner with your remaining fabric pieces. Now it's time to sew a 2.5 by 6.5 inch strip from fabric E in between our blocks. To create the center strip in our block, sew a 2.5 by 6.5 inch strip from fabric E to each side of a 2.5 inch square from fabric F. Sew your side pieces to your center strip unit and your block is complete. Make sure to share your quilt block creations made with AGF fabrics on social media using the hashtag AGF Quilt Block Collection. Awesome job, we did it. Another block to add to our quilting resume. As promised, here are a few sneak peeks on what's coming up next on the AGF Quilt Block Collection. Thanks for watching. For more fun quilt block tutorials, make sure to check out the AGF Quilt Block Collection playlist. Until next time, happy sewing!